Hello everyone, welcome to Hunger Wings, your portal to personal growth and well-being. Today, we embark on a journey to explore 5 steps to stop being socially awkward. Let us commence this exploration. Subscribe now to deepen your knowledge, stay updated with our content, and elevate your quality of life. Social awkwardness is a common challenge that many individuals face, impacting their ability to connect with others and hindering personal and professional growth. The good news is that overcoming social awkwardness is a skill that can be developed with practice and dedication. In this comprehensive guide, we will explore 5 practical steps to help you stop being socially awkward and foster meaningful connections. Number 1. Cultivate self-awareness. The foundation of overcoming social awkwardness lies in cultivating self-awareness. Take a moment to introspect and identify the specific aspects of social interactions that trigger discomfort. Is it the fear of judgment, difficulty maintaining eye contact, or navigating small talk? Understanding these triggers is the first step toward dismantling them. Self-awareness involves recognizing and embracing your unique qualities. We all have quirks and idiosyncrasies. Acknowledging and accepting them allows you to present an authentic version of yourself to the world. Remember, it's not about conforming to societal expectations but rather about being comfortable with who you are. To enhance self-awareness, engage in reflective practices such as journaling or meditation. These activities can help you pinpoint areas for improvement and celebrate your strengths. As you develop a deeper understanding of yourself, you'll find it easier to navigate social situations with authenticity. Number 2. Embrace active listening. One of the most powerful antidotes to social awkwardness is mastering the art of active listening. Rather than focusing on formulating your response while someone is speaking, invest your energy in genuinely understanding and connecting with the speaker. Active listening involves maintaining eye contact, nodding in acknowledgement, and responding thoughtfully to the speaker's words. By demonstrating genuine interest, you create a space for meaningful conversation to unfold. This not only puts others at ease but also relieves the pressure on you to constantly come up with the perfect thing to say. Practice active listening in everyday conversations, whether with friends, family, or colleagues. Pay attention to both verbal and nonverbal cues, and show empathy by validating the speaker's feelings. Over time, this skill becomes second nature, contributing significantly to your overall social confidence. Number 3. Mastering body language. Your body language communicates volumes before you utter a single word. By mastering positive body language, you can convey confidence and approachability, making social interactions smoother and more enjoyable. Start by maintaining good posture, stand or sit up straight, and make consistent eye contact. These subtle cues convey self-assurance and engagement. Additionally, smiling is a universally recognized sign of friendliness, instantly putting both you and others at ease. To practice positive body language, stand in front of a mirror or record yourself during conversations. Take note of your gestures, facial expressions, and posture. Make adjustments as needed, focusing on creating an open and inviting demeanor. Over time, this conscious effort will become ingrained in your natural behavior. Remember, effective communication is not only about what you say but also how you express yourself non-verbally. By becoming proficient in positive body language, you'll exude confidence and make a positive impression in any social setting. Number 4. Gradual exposure to social situations. Confronting social anxiety head-on is a crucial step in overcoming social awkwardness. Gradual exposure to social situations allows you to acclimate to the discomfort and build resilience over time. Start small by attending low-pressure social gatherings, joining clubs or classes aligned with your interests, or initiating conversations with acquaintances. The key is to progressively challenge yourself, expanding your comfort zone at a manageable pace. As you expose yourself to diverse social scenarios, you'll become more adept at navigating them with confidence. Each successful social interaction, no matter how minor, serves as a building block for greater social competence. Celebrate these victories, no matter how small, as they represent significant strides toward overcoming social awkwardness. By embracing gradual exposure, you'll desensitize yourself to social anxiety and develop the resilience needed to thrive in various social environments. Number 5. Positive affirmations and self-celebration. To solidify your journey toward social confidence, integrate positive affirmations and self-celebration into your daily routine. Replace self-doubt with empowering thoughts that reinforce your worth and capabilities. Affirmations such as, "I am confident and capable in social situations," can reshape your mindset and boost your self-esteem. Additionally, celebrate your successes, no matter how incremental they may seem. Acknowledge the progress you've made, whether it's initiating a conversation, maintaining eye contact, or navigating a social gathering with ease. By recognizing and applauding your achievements, you reinforce positive behavior and further motivate yourself to overcome social challenges. Incorporate these positive affirmations and self-celebratory moments into your daily routine. Over time, they will contribute to a more positive self-image and fortify your newfound social confidence. Embarking on the journey to stop being socially awkward requires commitment, self-reflection, and a willingness to step outside your comfort zone. By cultivating self-awareness, embracing active listening, mastering positive body language, exposing yourself to social situations, and integrating positive affirmations, you'll find yourself on a transformative path toward social confidence. Remember, everyone experiences moments of awkwardness, and growth comes from navigating and overcoming these challenges. You are not alone in this journey, and with dedication and practice, you can unlock the door to authentic connections and fulfilling social interactions. Embrace the process, celebrate your victories, and watch as your social confidence blossoms. Thank you for joining us on Hunger Wings. We invite you to subscribe as we continue to provide insightful content to enhance your understanding and enrich your life.